girl of Karnataka doesn't have crush on him. Everyone wants a guy like him.
Hello and welcome to India Today So South. I am Sanjay Punappa.
And this is Maruti Acharya.
And today we are in Bengaluru's Nartaki Theatre because we are welcoming Puneeth Rajkumar back to the big screen. Oh my god, it is a big moment for all the Kannada cine fans because one of our biggest stars are coming back to the theatres. You can see that little temples have been erected in his name at the theatre. You can also see that so many people have gathered to watch him back on the big screen. So, which film of us is re-releasing here? Well, Appu's first film, the debut film, 2002's blockbuster film, Appu, once again, is releasing in the theatres. This film was directed by Puri Jagannath. This was his debut as a male lead. Although he has been in films since he was born, basically. But this was his debut as a male lead in 2002 and it was a blockbuster debut for sure. It is a big moment for all of us, especially after Puneeth Rajkumar's passing. It has been like, there's been a huge void in the Kannada film industry, a very evident void that he has left. And nobody has been able to fill it ever since. I don't even think anybody will be able to as well. I'm just very happy to be here. I'm also happy to bring you here as well. For a change, it is not a Telugu guy and a non-Telugu guy. It is a Kannada guy and a non-Kannada guy here reacting to Appu's re-release.
Firstly, a huge shout out to all the Appu, that is Dr. Puneeth Rajkumar's fans. You guys are crazy. I am just having a lot of fun here. And the stall that we just saw, where people are literally leaving their slippers and going inside and offering their prayers to Dr. Puneeth Rajkumar. That shows the kind of love, support, and the image that he has in people's heart, which is really, really good. I am having a lot of fun here, and I'm also excited to watch this movie. For the people who don't know, this also got remade. Same director, Puri Jagannath, with Ravi Teja in Telugu, which is Idiot, if I'm not wrong. And that movie is also a very big sensation movie. But yeah, because this is Puneeth Rajkumar's first movie, and I actually watched it, but I don't remember. But moreover, re-release is all about watching it with fans. So
yes, and having fun with them. That is the vibe. So that is what we are here to do. There was a lot of celebrations that has gone on ever since we've come here. We've been here since early in the morning. I don't even remember at what time. A lot of things have happened, including a little bit of a fire hazard nearby. All of that is a part and parcel of the enjoyment that happens at a re-release event.
Yeah.
Well, we'll show you all the glimpses of the celebration that happened here. For that, stay tuned to the channel. Watch the whole video.
And also, what is your favorite Puneeth Rajkumar movie? Like top 5. You can name that. And also, if you are enjoying this video just like how we are enjoying this re-release, please do let us know in the comments below. And it is in your nearest theaters also. I think you should go and watch it and feel it for yourself. But continue the video.
Yes. Punit Rajkumar to you? Why is he your favorite?
Why is he my favorite? I don't know. I think even before like first time I started watching movies, I think he had become my favorite. And I remember watching Appu in today's GT Mall and then Pramod Theatre. So in 2022, I guess I watched it there first. I was probably 4 years old, and watching it again after 23 years, it makes me very happy.
It came as a shocker for all the Kannadigas when we lost Punit Rajkumar, and now after such a long gap, you're getting to see his debut film once again. What is the feeling like?
We lost him. I don't know. I don't think I've ever accepted that fact. So he's still there. See, like whenever we go around, because I didn't have any how do I tell in-person connection with him. So I feel him everywhere around, and you can see I have it on my phone, and every day I have like a big poster in my room. So the loss, I've not felt it yet actually. So yeah, watching the film after 23 years, very happy. You know, this out of celebration, I think doesn't happen for all the actors, no? So happy.
Apart from Appu, what is your favorite Punit Rajkumar film?
Actually, my first favorite film of Appu is Abhi.
Abhi.
Yeah, and Appu is actually my second favorite film. And then I think I like Milana.
Arasu. I think it's made for him.
Why do you like it so much?
I see Appu like that. I like him, the aura he is. I think the real personality of Appu is like Arasu. He's a king, so that suits him well.
How are you feeling about watching Punit Rajkumar once again on the big screen?
I hadn't watched this movie, so it's a treat. And I like Appu like this, college. And even though he's much older to me, I still feel like he's younger to me. So watching this makes us feel very good.
It seems like you have a crush on him.
I don't know, but yeah. Which girl of Karnataka doesn't have crush on him? Everyone wants a guy like him.
Fair enough, fair enough.
Hi.
What's your favorite Punit Rajkumar?
Milana and Paramatma.
Why?
Because it's a packed film. It has a core emotion, and the way Appu sir selects his script is something which is very beautiful. Like it will be having a total package of emotion and values. So Milana and Paramatma is always special. So I'm actually a huge fan of Kicha Sudeep sir, and I love even Appu sir because Appu sir and Kicha Sudeep sir, they are our generation heroes. We love them, we celebrate them every time when the film gets released. So yeah.
Would you say that Punit Rajkumar is one such hero who is appreciated across fandoms?
Yeah, that's true. Like we get inspired by the stars and how they speak, how they present themselves on screen and off screen. So Appu sir is one such personality. He has always inspired us through his interviews and with his films. So you can see his fans also. Even his fans has such kind of moral values. Yeah.
It is Milana, Appu, there are many others.
Why do you like him so much?
Do you even need a reason to love Appu? I mean, he's just a rock star. He's just a whole package. He's an awesome dancer, an awesome human being, the dancer, fighter, is a whole package.
Punit Rajkumar film.
Paramatma.
Why?
It's like emotion for Appu fans. Jotegire Jiva Endendigo Jivanta.
So you're going to be watching Punit Rajkumar Appu after a long time.
Yes.
How are you feeling?
I'm feeling mad, crazy as like always. I'm feeling like a new movie itself. We'll feel again and again. It's like a festival for us, like Yugadi, Deepavali and everything. All in one, we're gonna celebrate Appu's Day.
Paramatma. I like it all, but yeah, Paramatma is my favorite.
What about Paramatma did you like?
Everything about Paramatma, I like all the story, the feeling, everything. The whole vibe is amazing. I love him so even more.
From when do you love him?
Since birth, I was grown like you should become a Punit Rajkumar fan, and thankfully I became one.
How much do you miss him?
A lot. Yeah, you can see we are not so lucky to have many movies to release in the year. So for one movie, we are making it a festival.
What did you feel when you got to know that he passed away? How was that like?
Don't even remind me that day. It was bad. Everyone's condition was bad. We were not able to talk about it. It was Diwali time. We did not celebrate Diwali at home. Even at home, it was bad.
Cool. Anyway, well, he is back at least. If it's just for a time, enjoy your time.
Yeah, we are enjoying it to the peak since morning 6:30 show. The whole day we are going to the movie.
you for being with us.
Thank you too.
First of all, how do you feel that the film has been re-released and we are seeing Appu once again on the big screen?
It's a very emotional moment for me and the entire family and the team and the fans as well, because this is the moment that we are reliving after almost about 25 years. I think it's an absolutely emotional moment for the entire Appu fans family.
Could you share with us any anecdote of your time that you've spent with Puneet Rajkumar during shoots or something like that?
This was his first film, right? As a hero that he was debuting. So, I was like about 14 or 15 years and I was the youngest, and obviously every day they would take my case and make fun of me. And even in the film, it's come out so relevant, where our relationship, our chemistry on the screen is quite great. And I was not aware of what role I was playing when I was shooting, because it looked very jovial and casual. But when I saw it on screen, the impact that it had, even after 25 years, people wherever I go, they ask me to say the dialogue, "Sir, Nangon boost." So that is something. That is something that really mesmerizes me. He was a person who was dynamic, a great actor, and also a fantastic entrepreneur. During early 2020-21, you must have seen he produced so many films that where he was not featured, and he opened the gates for the OTT business here. I would like to share a small experience when I was at Hyderabad hosting South Scope Awards, and the whole lot of South Indian film fraternity was there. When Mr. Puneet Rajkumar entered the auditorium for the event ceremony, you should have seen the roar, the respect that he got from fellow actors from various industries. That shows what kind of a responsibility and what kind of impact he had on our industry.
That was one hell of an experience, trust me. I think by now you watched, you enjoyed with us. We tried our level best to make sure everybody, each of you participate in the celebrations with whatever we can show you. I hope you liked it.
Yes. My experience was something, but first, as a non-Kannadiga, you tell me what was your experience?
First, I will say one line in Kannada. ತುಂಬಾ ಖುಷಿ ಆಯ್ತು ನನಗೆ, ತುಂಬಾ ಇಷ್ಟ ಆಯ್ತು. So, Appu as a character itself is a very crazy character, okay? So Puri Jagannath heroes in general are crazy, and Appu is a step ahead. Okay, which is very evident in the entire movie. Like, see, let's not get into the politics of it. As an entertainer, as cinema, if you look at it, it was really fun, crazy, wacky character. He, love matters to him so much. Friendship matters to him so much. He's a very good, very relatable character for me, at least. So all of that, and my favorite scene of like where Suchi character asks Appu to, there's a conversation happening and where Appu is about to jump from a building, so he'll actually jump. Halfway he'll stop, he will come back, and then he will tell Suchi that if I die, what will happen to you? Just think about it. Anybody, whoever is writing that, how can somebody come up with that, and how can somebody convincingly communicate that on screen? Which Puneeth Rajkumar did really, really good. I really had a lot of fun. So usually it's his first film. So usually big star-led films, launch of a star, when that happens, right? It should be a picture-perfect film, like a launch, what all hero can do. I think Appu is a brilliant debut, and Puneeth Rajkumar aced it like a piece of cake. Take dance, fights. Oh my god, there's this one fight scene where I genuinely lost it. I was so happy. Like, I don't know, we don't see natural, no wireless stunts anymore, so maybe that could be there. But Puneeth Rajkumar execution of fight scenes is just madness. I wanted to watch more of fight scenes. I'll go back, check YouTube and see what are the fight scenes. Dance. It's like that Dilraju dialogue. Dance venuma, dance irukku. Fight venuma, fight irukku. That is like a Puneeth Rajkumar as a whole package, and Appu is a very, very special film. Father and son dynamic also, such a relatable, like, you eat this much, you eat this much, you study this much, is there any balance? All of those conversations, everything about this movie is very, very impactful. I really thoroughly enjoy. I think I spoke a lot.
Seeing Puneeth Rajkumar once again on the big screen was such a happy moment. He might have debuted with, Appu right now. But, for me, even though he is much older than me, he did his on-screen debut as soon as he was born, basically. Since then, we've been seeing him with Tannauru, Rajkumar sir, and all of it. He's been that household name and all of it. But young, little, innocent Puneeth Rajkumar will always be, in my mind, in my heart, because that is what I grew up watching.
Yeah.
As a kid, on the TV, I used to watch all of his young age movies, singing Kanadante Maya Vadano and dancing with his little cute dance and all of it. The Bhakta Prahalada, there's a film called Bhakta Prahalada where he plays Prahalada and Rajkumar is Hiranyakashipu.
Yeah.
That film is so iconic, man. It's still etched in my brains because, wow, just Puneeth Rajkumar just putting out his innocence like that on. After he grew up, the kind of films that he started making. No doubt he became such a huge star because he already was. And even the reception for Appu back then, now, you just saw it today. It's like it's been over 2 decades and people are just flooding the screens.
Yeah.
Appu is not one of those films that when you ask a Puneeth Rajkumar fan that just pops up now.
Yeah.
Back then it would. Now there are so many more iconic films that this is not the film that pops up. But still people are flooded here. People, look at us, we are red. Because that was the number of people over there dancing, shouting, screaming, everything. Any corner of the theater you go, you find people.
The energy made us dance also.
Yeah, made me dance. He has the energy all the time, made me dance. Appu, Puneeth Rajkumar has left a huge void in the Kannada film circuits, right? Indian film, Indian cinema as well, but speaking about Kannada cinema, he has left a huge void. And that is more evident now than ever when you see, box office struggling, when you see ticket counters not getting enough numbers and all of it. Because he was one of those big box office draws who was very consistent with his films, just like his older brother Shivanna.
Yeah, Shivanna
very
is-
consistent with films. Yearly he used to do 2 films at least. And he was a crowd puller, a family crowd puller. It was not just his fans or youth. The families used to come out for his films. So all of that, the Kannada industry misses now because he is not there. And I don't know if you remember, but the minute I heard the news of his passing, it was like, see, honestly speaking, I am not his fan per se, on a personal note, right? But still, he is such a guy that earned the love of all the families in Karnataka, including my family, including me. he just gets it.
Yeah.
I don't think I've ever felt like that when any actor passed away.
Yeah.
There might be sympathy, but this was actual
Yeah.
pain. So the way I was gutted, the way I was emotional, all of that when I remember, it is. I just miss him, man. We miss the star. We miss Punit Rajkumar.
I was genuinely very, very happy when I got to see so much of crowd, like more than which auditorium can cater for a Kannada movie in recent times. This kind of celebration, people storming into theaters and all of that is not happening often in Kannada cinema, which is a sad reality. But nevertheless, I know I have faith in people and Kannada industry that industry will also start making amazing films and people will come back. And with this video, I will take a opportunity and request all the Kannada viewers, ಎಲ್ಲ ಕನ್ನಡಿಗರಿಗೂ ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ, ಬನ್ನಿ ಸಿನಿಮಾನ ಸಿನಿಮಾ ಥಿಯೇಟರ್ ನೋಡಿ,
ಸಿನಿಮಾ ಥಿಯೇಟರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ,
ಎಕ್ಸಾಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ ಅಪ್ರಿಷಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿಲ್ವಾ ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಆಗತ್ತೆ, ಒಳ್ಳೇದಾಗತ್ತೆ. ಇಂಡಸ್ಟ್ರಿ ಉದ್ಧಾರ ಆಗಬೇಕು, ನಾವು ಎಂಟರ್ಟೈನ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು, ಅದೇ. So I tried so much Kannada, but yeah, the point being that let's all support cinema. We will try to make as not just Kannada, every language possible. We will try to bring all the entertainment news, updates, reviews, reactions, everything. Do not miss any of that. Please like, share and subscribe. I think we're already a family name to a lot of people. If not, I think you can add it to the list. Subscribe and all of that.
Yeah.
Keep checking our videos.
Yes. I am Sanjay Ponnappa. Namaskara.
Yes, this is Maruti Acharya and you're watching India Today. So, sir.